Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing how AI tools are revolutionizing personal finance in 2025. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we manage everything, from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for the future. Let's take a look at some of the most significant AI-driven strategies in personal finance today. Before we move, make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest trends in personal finance and investing. 10. AI-powered budgeting apps. AI-driven budgeting apps are making managing money more accessible than ever. Tools like YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Mint use AI to track your spending automatically and categorize your expenses in real time. These apps also offer suggestions on how to cut back and optimize your budget based on your financial habits. YNAB, for example, helps you adjust your budget by predicting future expenses and suggesting areas where you can save more. Mint, on the other hand, consolidates all your financial accounts in one place, giving you a snapshot of your entire financial life. These AI tools save time and eliminate the need for manual tracking, allowing you to stay focused on your goals. 9. Robo-advisors, making investment accessible. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront are AI-powered platforms that automate investing. They use algorithms to build and manage a portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance, making investing easier for beginners. One of the biggest advantages of robo-advisors is their low fees compared to traditional financial advisors. This allows you to start investing with smaller amounts, making the market more accessible. The AI continuously monitors your portfolio, automatically rebalancing it as market conditions change. This keeps your investments aligned with your goals without requiring your constant attention. Most robo-advisors offer features like tax loss harvesting, goal-based investing, and diversified portfolios. They provide a hands-off approach, ideal for those who want to invest without spending time researching or managing their assets. While they may not offer personalized advice like a human advisor, they are a cost-effective solution for long-term investing. For those looking for an easy, affordable way to grow their wealth, robo-advisors offer a simple, automated alternative to traditional investment management. 8. AI-driven financial planning. AI tools are revolutionizing financial planning by providing personalized strategies. Platforms like SmartAsset and Facet Wealth use AI to analyze your financial situation and generate a customized plan for your future. These tools take into account everything from your income and savings to your debt and long-term goals. AI-powered financial planning platforms can offer predictions on how certain factors, like inflation or market downturns, could impact your financial future. They also provide real-time tracking of your progress so you can make adjustments as needed. This allows for a more flexible and data-driven approach to long-term planning, which can be crucial for building wealth. 7. AI-powered investment research. AI has made investment research more accessible, once dominated by high-end analysts. Platforms like AlphaSense and Zacks use AI to analyze vast amounts of financial data, including earnings reports, news, and market trends, providing real-time insights. These tools rely on machine learning to identify patterns and predict future market movements. By processing data faster than humans, AI helps investors spot opportunities and risks more efficiently. This gives individual investors an edge in decision-making without requiring deep financial expertise. AI-powered research tools also filter out noise, focusing on relevant market signals. They can track sentiment, detect anomalies, and provide automated reports, saving time and improving accuracy. While AI doesn't eliminate risk, it enhances research efficiency, helping you make more informed investment choices. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, AI-driven insights can refine your strategy and improve your market awareness. 6. AI in crypto, maximizing your returns. The cryptocurrency space is known for its volatility, but AI is helping investors navigate this risky market. Platforms like 3 and CryptoHopper use AI to automate trading, making it easier for users to capitalize on crypto market movements. These tools analyze real-time data and execute trades based on preset strategies, allowing for more efficient and profitable trading. AI can also be used in decentralized finance, DeFi applications to maximize returns through yield farming. By analyzing the best available opportunities across various DeFi platforms, AI ensures that your investments are working harder for you. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or a beginner, AI helps minimize the risk and maximize potential gains. 5. AI for debt management. Managing debt is a key part of personal finance, and AI is making it easier. AI tools like Tally help users pay off credit card debt more effectively by analyzing your balances and suggesting personalized strategies to minimize interest and pay down debt faster. AI doesn't just offer general advice, it automates the entire process by consolidating multiple credit card debts into a single, lower interest payment. This reduces the complexity of managing various payments and allows you to focus on eliminating debt quickly. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can stay on top of your finances without feeling overwhelmed by your debt load. 4. AI-powered tax optimization. Tax season can be overwhelming, but AI-powered tools like H&R Block and TurboTax make it easier to file taxes and optimize deductions. These platforms use AI to analyze your financial data, identifying opportunities to reduce your tax liability. AI helps you uncover deductions you may have missed, ensuring you maximize your savings. It can also adjust your tax strategy automatically, considering factors like income, investments, and expenses. This allows you to pay the least amount in taxes legally possible. Beyond deductions, these tools guide you through the filing process, helping you choose the right forms and ensuring your information is accurate. AI can also help you stay compliant with tax laws, reducing the risk of costly errors. For individuals or small business owners, AI-powered tax optimization provides a more streamlined and efficient approach. It removes much of the guesswork and minimizes human error. Whether you're filing personal taxes or managing a business, AI makes tax season less stressful and more manageable. It's an affordable and effective solution for smarter tax planning. 3. AI for risk management. AI is transforming risk management in both investing and personal finance. Tools like Kensho use machine learning to assess market risks and predict how different events, such as economic shifts or geopolitical instability, might impact your financial portfolio. These tools can identify potential risks and adjust your investment strategy to protect against losses. AI can also track your entire financial situation, identifying areas of exposure and offering suggestions to mitigate risk. By using AI to assess and manage risk, you can make more informed decisions about where and how to invest, ensuring that your financial future is more secure. 2. AI in real estate investing. Real estate is traditionally seen as a stable investment, but AI is making it easier for anyone to enter the market. Platforms like Fundrise and Roofstock use AI to help you find and invest in real estate properties with minimal upfront capital. These platforms analyze market trends and property values to identify high-potential investments. One of the biggest advantages of AI in real estate is fractional ownership. By breaking down expensive properties into smaller, more affordable shares, AI allows investors to own a piece of prime real estate with a small initial investment. AI also helps to minimize risk by assessing property values, market trends, and other data points to ensure you're making informed investment choices. 1. AI chatbots and virtual assistants for financial guidance. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly popular for financial guidance. Tools like ChatGPT and Clara from Clio can answer your financial questions, offer advice, and even help you make decisions right from your phone or computer. These AI assistants analyze your financial history and goals to provide personalized advice. AI chatbots are available 24/7, offering instant assistance with everything from budgeting tips to investment strategies. They simplify complex financial concepts and guide you through decision-making processes with clear, easy-to-understand advice. As AI technology evolves, these virtual assistants will become even more advanced, providing you with increasingly accurate and valuable insights. That's a wrap on how AI is revolutionizing personal finance in 2025. From budgeting and tax optimization to investment research and debt management, AI tools are making personal finance more accessible and efficient than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights on how to leverage AI for smarter financial decisions. See you next time!